2's initial shipment size has been reached. The initial stock quantity has been finalized, and the factory will plan production accordingly. I can't disclose the exact number, but the US market rolls 2.5 times the volume of March of 2017. The Switch initial's worldwide shipment will be 2.74 million consoles March 3rd to March 31st. Yeah, this already sounds fake. They're saying oh wait, that's for the Switch one. Okay, I'm stupid. Roughly 2.5 times the volume of its initial shipment is 6.5 to 7 million consoles for the launch period, which means that the Switch 2 is going to release during the holidays. Okay, that's further proof that the Switch 2 is going to release in the holidays. The Switch, the reason why the Switch is expected launch was pretty low is because the Switch released in a non-holiday period. Usually consoles that release in non-holiday periods do not have the best of launches. But usually consoles that launch near the holidays, because those times, so like for example, the PS5 had the quote-unquote biggest launch in history, and the same thing with the Xbox had a very similar launch of the Switch, okay, it's because of the holidays, okay, and scalpers, okay, which technically did inflate the sales of both consoles massively, okay, but console gaming is not doing too well, okay. Sony has never had a precise figure, but we know it's slightly more than PS4's consoles of 2.4 million consoles shipped in 2 weeks as well. Yeah, but apparently the Switch is gonna destroy the PS5 very quickly. But the question is, will Sniper Wolf advertise the Switch 2? I wonder. Probably not, considering that, Nintendo doesn't understand YouTube or the internet, for crying out loud, okay? Heck, they finally have a music app when they could easily just put the music on Spotify for everyone to listen to for so long. But yeah, apparently again, the Switch 2's initial shipment week coming out, and yeah, most likely the Switch 2 will be launching in the holidays, given this week. And of course, this week comes from Family Boards. They just reposted it here, so if you want to say sorry, this week's fake, let's go to Family Boards and tell them this week is fake. But this is what Nintendo is expecting for the Switch, and I think Switch 2, which I think isn't too surprising considering how successful the Switch 1 was. Okay, the Switch 1 was a super hit of a console. Okay, like we all knew the Switch 1 was going to sell well, but it was kind of a super hit considering the consoles have been doing very poorly, especially this generation. The Switch was a super hit console, whether if you like the Switch or not. Okay, the Switch of course had its problem. It's not a perfect console, like I had the Joy-Con Drift. I still don't understand why Nintendo allowed this to happen. Okay, but that's what this video here, and goodbye.